Hello my lovely juniors, welcome to iCan Technologies. In the today's video, that is part 6, we are learning about challenges faced by the manufacturing industry in a manual process. It means if automation is not there, only man is working, all the process is going manually, what are the problems we will face? Okay, we will see now. First one, it is time consuming. Second one, slow production. Third one, it causes delay in the process. Fourth one, less accuracy. Fifth one, less efficiency. Sixth one, it increases the production cost. Seventh, man get tired but machines not. Eighth one, man need rest but machines don't. Ninth one, difficulty to generate thousands of reports at a time. 10. More chances of miscommunication. 11th, it cannot handle the means a manual process cannot handle the multiple errors at a time. 12th one, man get bored of repetitive task but machines will not. 13th, if a man is working, they will create the dependency for the productions, but if any machine is there, if it is having the power and proper program to it, then it will work. Means it will not dependent on anyone. Expect the program and the power supply to it. That's why it is very important automation is having in the industry. Okay, and 14th one, creating more data entry errors. If a man is doing more work, means it will create more errors in the data entry. 15th, man cannot handle the multitasking at a time. Okay, so these are all the main points if a manual process is having in the industry. So these are all the problems we will face. So it is very simple answers you can write, and if they're asking for more marks like 5 marks or 10 marks they are asking in the exam, so you can write some some small brief information about the each and every point you can write. Okay, in the next video I will come up with the new topic. Till then, see you.